Hey guys, welcome to Proto Coders Point. Okay, so in this Android tutorial, we're gonna give an option in an app by which user can change his preferred language. Okay, as you can see, I have given two languages over here. As you can see, I have changed the language of the app. It is saying Namaste Dunia in Hindi, and this is Hello World. Okay, let's go into Android Studio to build this out. Okay, so now we are in Android Studio. Okay, first of all, we will go with UI design. Okay, for that, first of all, we will create a background design for our button, that is spinner. Okay, drawable. We will name it as shape background. Okay, done. Okay, in this, change it to shape. Okay, then we will just design it dot primary. Okay, we will give corner radius of 40 dp something. Okay, then we will also give a stroke to the background. Okay, stroke will be of color like one green, and stroke width will be 1 dp. It's enough. Okay, as you can see in our app, there is a background for this button, and it has a small stroke by green. This is the stroke, this is a corner, and this is the color, primary color. Okay, then we also need a image over here. Okay, for that we will create a asset widget, vector assets, sorry. Here find out something called as drop. Here it is, and just rename it to drop for easy to use, and make it to white. Make it white. Okay. Okay, now then we will go to UI design for creating UI design. Okay, this is the what it be we need it. Okay, and here it is gravity center, and it is vertical. Okay, it has a text with id text view, and the text is hello world. Okay, then relative layout 200 dp. Okay, so now we will create this thing, this button thing. TTP, and we will give a top margin top of 20 dp, and margin end of 3 dp. Why it is showing me error? Okay, can view this. It's okay. Huh. Okay, we need also margin right to be given, so it was showing me error. Okay, margin right 3 dp. Then we will give a background just that we have created just now. This thing, background is in, here it is. Okay, this is the background. This is the relative layout, and this relative layout will have two sides in a horizontal form. So the orientation we will make as orientation. It is not taking. Why? I'll just copy paste it. Okay. Okay. Then in this we need a text view and a image view. Okay. Text view will be match parent by match parent. Okay. And layout gravity center, and layout okay, it's okay. And background we will make it as transparent. Okay. Then we will give text color to white. Okay. And text we will take from, okay, we will just give a text. And after that we need a image view to show a drop down image. Wrap context, wrap context. Again parent right, we will make it as true. It will be aligned to right side. Okay. And center vertical will be also be true, and gravity will be sent to, which I don't know why it is not taking gravity. It's okay, no problem. Then we will give a background src image, that is drop the vector image we have created. Okay. And one more thing, we need to give a margin from the right side. We will give it as 10 dp. Okay. So our UI is been created. Okay, I'll just run our app now. We will just check UI design. Okay, so UI design is perfect now. Okay. So then we need to create a string variables. Okay, so in your project here side, here is a string.xml file. Here you need to create two variables. Okay. First we will name it as selected language. Okay. And language we will keep as a hello world. This string will be shown in our app. Okay, as you can see here, it will be shown this by using this name of the string. Okay, like this we need to create one more string for Hindi characters. Okay, for that do this. Okay, give the file name as string, strings strings. It should be same thing, same strings strings. Okay, and here local. From here you need to select which you want. In my case I need Hindi, so just type Hindi. As you can see here, Hindi. One second, I need to recreate it because it is not as I needed. Sorry. Okay, so I have created characters for Hindi. Just come to your original thing and just copy all from here, all strings from there, and just copy paste over here. Okay, so here we need to change this thing to Hindi. For that, we'll go to Google. We will use translator, convert it into Hindi. Just copy it and paste in here. Okay. Okay, so now we also need to change this to Hindi character. Okay, we will do it by going to translator, copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so now we are done with the strings part. Okay, now we will go Java coding part. For that I have code in my website. So just go to my website. Website is protocoderspoint.com. Okay, and in search, just search for, here is the article I have wrote, tutorial article, how to change programming language programmatically. Okay, so there is, here I have gave all the instructions step by step how to do it. As you can see, okay, so we need this code. Just copy it from here. You can just copy. Okay, just copy everything and here create a new Java file and name it as, or anything you can name. Okay, and then just paste the code. Okay, so we no need of this. Okay, after okay, doing this, so now go to main activity.java. We need to connect each view to this main activity. For this we need this one thing, and okay, I sorry, I forgot to give ID to this. Okay, after that we will code over here. Okay, so we have created objects of that, all the views. Okay, in, now go to in on create active on create, and here initialize it. Now language dialog is equal to text view, find view by id, r dot id dot dialog language. You can see I have gave it as a language, Okay, then after that, this one we need to find view by id, r dot id dot the text is text view, id is text view. Okay, after that we will create on click listener. Okay, here create a string array of string languages. This will be array r dot strings dot mm, no, we will give it direct, and second language is Hindi. Int checked item if language is selected, then checked item is 0, else checked item is 1. Okay, and here we will create alert dialog box. Builder dot set title select a language dot set single choice item. Here first we will pass array variable, that is language. Second thing we will pass checked item, and third will be new dialog listener. Okay, and after this we will create a positive button. For positive button we will just give a text as okay button. Dialog dot dismiss, end it, and here where it is, okay, here builder dot create dot show. Okay, so now we need to code over here what to do when item has been selected. Okay, item selected, language dialog dot set text, language with position, which position is been pressed, means language is the array and its position will be showed in here. Okay, if a language of which if a language of which is equals to, then this, if language of which dot equals to Hindi is equals to Hindi, then this. Okay, here we need to use this string, and if this is true, then we need to use this string. For that, we will make use of context and local helper. Local helper is this code dot set local main activity dot this and type of a language. This is English. Okay, and resources is equal to context dot get resource. Okay, and now we will change the text view text to the string. Set text resources dot get string from dot r dot string dot language. Okay, and then just copy paste this thing over here in Hindi section, and in place of en just put hi. As you can see, hi is stands for Hindi. Okay, now we are done. We will just test the app now. Okay, app is been running. It may take some time to build. Okay, install then. Okay, so as you can see, it's Hindi. And now English. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.